extracurricular activities.
From the dance performance that will leave you spellbound to drama speeches that will bring tears and laughter, and from the music performance that will touch your heart to awards that acknowledge the brilliance of the students. Tonight is going to be unforgettable journey.
And now, the moment we have all been waiting for is here. Let the show begin!
Tonight we are going to start with a spectacular and enchanting opening performance. It's a group song performance that brings traditional and modernity, and it promises to be a treat for your soul.
चलिए सुनते हैं एक सपने की स्टोरी जहां पलकों की टपरी के नीचे रहता था सपना टपोरी।
So, sit back, relax, and let the magic unfold.
Check, hello. তারে ধরি ধরি মনে করি ধরতে গেলে ধরা দেয় না দেখেছি রূপসাগরে মনের মানুষ কাঁচা সোনা